Hey everyone, it's Digital Growth Hub. Today we're diving into affiliate marketing, one of the best ways to create passive income online. Imagine waking up to commission notifications, all while you were catching some Z's. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based model where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You promote a product through a special affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. People around the world are making money through affiliate marketing by promoting products they believe in, whether that's on a blog, YouTube, or Instagram. But let's break down how it actually works. Here's how affiliate marketing works, step by step. First, find a product you genuinely want to promote. Choose something you believe in, something that aligns with your values and interests. If you're passionate about something, it will show in your marketing, and people are more likely to trust your recommendations. Next, join an affiliate program. This is where you'll get your special affiliate links, those unique URLs that track your referrals. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer thousands of products you can promote. Now, for the fun part, promoting the product. You can promote affiliate products through various channels, your blog, website, YouTube channel, social media platforms, even email marketing. Think about where your target audience hangs out. Are they scrolling through Instagram, reading blog posts, or watching product reviews on YouTube? Tailor your promotional efforts to where your audience is most active. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rates vary depending on the product or service, but they usually range anywhere from 5% to 50%. Most affiliate programs give you a unique tracking link. This ensures that the business knows you referred the sale, and they'll pay you accordingly. So every time someone makes a purchase via your link, you get paid. It's like having little digital cash registers ringing every time someone buys something you recommended. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust and providing value to your audience. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic, provide value, and promote products that you genuinely believe in. Now, let's dive into the different types of affiliate marketing models you can choose from. Each model has its pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your niche, your audience, and your marketing strategy. First up, we have the most common model, pay-per-sale or PPS. With PPS, you earn a commission whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and completes a purchase. You're essentially getting a cut of every sale you refer. Next, we have pay-per-click or PPC. With PPC, you get paid every time someone clicks on your affiliate link, regardless of whether they make a purchase. It's all about driving traffic and generating clicks. And finally, we have pay-per-lead or PPL. With PPL, you earn a commission when someone takes a specific action like signing up for a newsletter, filling out a form, or downloading an ebook. It's all about generating leads and capturing valuable contact information. So how do you choose the right model for you? Well, it all depends on your goals and your audience. If you're promoting high-ticket items, PPS might be the best option. If you're focused on building an email list, PPL could be a good fit. And if you're driving a ton of traffic, PPC might be the way to go. Think about your audience, your niche, and your marketing strategy. Do your research, experiment with different models, and see what works best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to affiliate marketing. For example, if you're in the travel niche, PPS might be a great option because people are already in the mindset to spend money on flights, hotels, and experiences. You can partner with travel companies and earn a commission on every booking made through your affiliate link. On the other hand, if you're in the finance niche, PPL might be a better fit. You can partner with financial institutions and earn a commission every time someone signs up for a credit card or opens a new bank account through your affiliate link. And if you're in the tech niche, PPC might be worth exploring. So, you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and start earning those sweet commissions? That's awesome. But with so many affiliate programs out there, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right ones. First and foremost, you need to make sure the product or service you're promoting is a good fit for your audience. This is crucial. You don't want to be promoting gardening tools to a tech-savvy audience, right? Think about your niche, your target market, and what they're actually interested in. Look for programs that align with your content and your audience's needs. Next up, let's talk about commission rates. Obviously, you want to choose programs that offer competitive commissions. After all, you're putting in the work to promote these products, so you deserve to be rewarded for your efforts. Look for programs that offer a good balance between commission percentage, product price, and overall demand. But don't just focus on the numbers. It's also essential to consider the level of support the affiliate program provides. A good program will offer you resources, marketing materials, and even training to help you succeed. Look for programs that provide clear communication, helpful resources, and maybe even a dedicated affiliate manager. Another crucial factor to consider is the reputation of the affiliate program and the products they offer. You don't want to associate your brand with shady programs or low-quality products. Do your research, read reviews, and make sure you're comfortable promoting the products and the program itself. And here's a bonus tip. Look for programs that offer recurring commissions, especially if you're promoting subscription services or digital products. Affiliate marketing might seem like a piece of cake, but trust me, there are some common pitfalls that can trip you up along the way. First up, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is promoting products you don't genuinely believe in. Your audience can smell inauthenticity a mile away, so don't even try to fake it. Only promote products that you've personally used, loved, and would recommend to your best friend. Another common mistake is not understanding your audience. You need to know who you're talking to, what their pain points are, and what solutions they're looking for. Don't just blindly promote random products. Take the time to understand your audience's needs and tailor your recommendations accordingly. And speaking of understanding your audience, don't forget about SEO and traffic generation. You can have the best affiliate products and the most compelling content, but if no one is seeing it, it's all for nothing. Invest time in optimizing your website, creating valuable content, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Now let's talk about being patient. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build trust, establish authority, and start seeing consistent results. Stay consistent, keep learning, and keep providing value to your audience. Alright, you've chosen your affiliate products, you're ready to start promoting, but how do you do it effectively? How do you stand out from the crowd and actually get people clicking on your links? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First and foremost, write honest, comprehensive reviews. People trust real experiences, so share your personal thoughts, the pros and cons, and why you think this product is worth their hard-earned money. Don't be afraid to get into the nitty-gritty details and provide valuable insights. Comparison guides are another great way to promote affiliate products. People love to see how different products stack up against each other, so create comprehensive comparisons that highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each option. Make sure to include your affiliate links for each product so people can easily purchase through your recommendations. Video content is king. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are perfect for showcasing affiliate products in action. Create engaging unboxing videos, product demonstrations, or even vlogs incorporating the products into your daily life. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build an email list and nurture those relationships by providing valuable content and exclusive offers. You can then promote affiliate products directly to your subscribers who have already shown interest in your niche, and of course leverage the power of social media. As we wrap up this deep dive into affiliate marketing, I want to leave you with some final tips to set you up for success. Remember, patience is key. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience, establish trust, and see those commissions rolling in. Focus on building long-term relationships with your audience. Provide them with valuable content, be authentic in your recommendations, and always put their needs first. When you focus on building a loyal following, the commissions will follow naturally. And don't forget to track your performance. Use this data to see what's working, what's not, and optimize your strategy accordingly. So, are you ready to embark on your affiliate marketing adventure? Remember, start with a niche you're passionate about, find great products you believe in, and focus on building trust with your audience. Treat it like a business, be patient, and don't give up. If you're eager to dive in and start exploring affiliate programs, I've got you covered. I've linked some of my top recommendations in the description below. These are programs I've personally used and trust, so you can be confident you're getting started on the right foot. And hey, before you go, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos packed with even more tips, strategies, and insights on crushing it in the world of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start your affiliate marketing journey was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Affiliate marketing is like planting seeds. You nurture them, you give them time, and eventually they grow into a fruitful source of income. But it all starts with taking action. So, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start exploring those affiliate programs, create some awesome content, and watch those commissions start rolling in. And remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about affiliate marketing, the better equipped you'll be to succeed.